Are you doing something more dangerous today?
It's like more dangerous than the last time. I saw this on the internet. The guy who did this died.
What?
Wait, that's what inspired you. You saw somebody kill himself doing that. You said, I want to do that on America's Got Talent.
No, because I want to be the guy who like succeed doing this. You can see that I have like 10-foot hole in front of me. I'm gonna be tied with chain and padlock, cuff, and be laid down inside. And the crew will go to cover the lid, and they will like pour the sand. 1.5 minutes to escape before all the sand covered this hole, and I lost my breath.
Is there anything we should be doing if it goes beyond 1.5 minutes?
I have like small camera there, so you can see if something go wrong.
And the ambulance comes or
Yeah,
somebody.
the ambulance is going to save me.
Okay, are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure, I'm positive. Before I start, I need something from my wife to help me escape. Can I borrow your bobby pin?
I don't have a good feeling here.
Doesn't get any of these locks off.
Taking the bobby pin out.
It's got one undone. What is he doing?
What are we at now, 45 seconds or so?
There can't be any more air in there. There's no air in there.
If he runs out, how are they going to get him out fast enough?
What if he's in trouble now? How can he even signal? Well, we lost power in the...
Where's the camera?
Hello?
What's up with it, you guys? I think the camera's not working.
Guys, seriously? Seriously? Get him out. Guys, seriously? Hold her. Seriously? Get him out. Get him out.
Why are they still shoveling?
Why are...
Do you need to get him out now? I think you need to help get him out.
Wait!
You're alive. The marriage, not so much.
Tonight I'm going to sleep outside.
You're going to sleep outside?
Yeah.
Under the ground?
But then he's going to appear in the bed.
He'll appear in the bed. It's me.
Simon.
How am I supposed to judge this? I genuinely thought you were dead in there. I either want to kill you or I want to kill the producers because I thought I was going to have a heart attack there, genuinely. You are in big trouble.